In a previous project, you can see right here, I used an IR distance sensor to control LEDs and a buzzer. And in order to do that, I used a shift register that, from just one output on the board, allowed me to control 8 outputs to these LEDs. I talked about how that would be important to my indoor vegetable garden control system because I could instead connect relays to these outputs instead of LEDs. And what a relay allows you to do is, you can see a relay right here, is it allows you to control larger electrical components with just the 5-volt outputs from your board. So on the bottom here, you can't really see because it's plugged into this breadboard, but there's a data pin, a pin to ground and power. So the data pin just reads digital outputs, so just ones or zeros, and based on those outputs from the board, it flips a switch inside the relay that allows electricity to flow or not. So I spliced an extension cord. You can see that here. You can see the two ends going into the relay, and I wrote code on the board that just turns the relay on and off. And I have a lamp plugged into the extension cord. So once I start to power the board, you should see the relay turning on and off, and then the lamp also turning on and off. Alright, so you can see the light LED on the actual relay turning on and off, and then we can also see the lamp turning on and off over here. So you can also hear the clicking, and that's just the switch being flipped. So this will ultimately allow me to control things like water pumps, humidifiers, lights for my indoor vegetable garden. And I'll just have an 8-channel, rather than just one relay, I'll have an 8-channel relay, and I'll have those connected to a shift register, and I'll control the outputs to all of those like that, using these same principles.